Hi everyone, welcome to Glitch Guru. In today's video, we'll show you how to delete all the photos and videos stored in your Google Photos account at once. As you may already know, Google Photos app does not offer any option to delete all the photos in your account at once. To do this, you'll need to use Google Photos on your computer browser. Here, go ahead and select the first photo. You can simply hover your mouse over the photo and tick the checkbox. Now, scroll down to the end of the page. If you have several thousand photos, you may have to scroll down further. Once you've reached the last photo or video, press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding the Shift key, select the last photo or video. As you can see, all the photos and videos in between are now selected. Now, you can simply click this trash icon at the top. Then, select Move to Bin. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below.